ich spojrzeń nauczyłeś mnie pięknieć w twoich oczach, nauczyłeś mnie śmiać, płakać bez powodu. Czemu więc uciekasz? Czemu więc uciekasz? Czemu więc uciekasz?
Hi guys, I am Peter from GF USA Guitars and Basses, and it's Sunday, so every Sunday I am trying to make a new demo video of explanation from my shop where I am testing my revolutionary passive electronics, my setup for electric guitars and electric basses. All my setups are passive, no battery, no active components. Let me show you, it's really passive. Just wirings, just wires, caps and a resistor and coils, nothing else. So what you will hear doesn't have any active components, doesn't have any preamps, it doesn't have any active boosters in building. Everything is passive. What I am using for the signal and why I am using for the signal the computer is because when I am explaining to you how those three knobs, how they work, it's much easier for me to show you how the sound change. So from the music you can hear the low frequency, you can hear the bass, you can hear the drums, you can hear the guitars, and you can hear the singer. And I really think it's right here on the bench, it's much easier to use the music instead putting some bass tracks or something on the computer and showing you only on the guitar or only on the bass. So this control plate, it's a passive. I am using for the source of the signal computer. I am connecting EMG humbucker pickup, passive humbucker pickup with the two left and right computer speakers. You can see it right here. How is it connecting? So this one, it's source of the signal. Here is another humbucker, that same Duncan humbucker I will put in my bass. This bass, what I am building, that plate right now, the plate is for precision bass, but precision bass will not have a two pickups, will have a two coils and only one humbucker. So basically humbucker is a sensor and this is the source of the signal. And I'll put them together. It's a little bit tricky. You have to put them together so magnets north is pointed to the south and south is pointed to the north. They have to really snap, really easy. Then you don't have it in the opposite way, opposite directions, and the magnets are trying to push your pickups away. So that plate, that control plate, has a three knobs. This side of the control plate will be closer to the neck, and this side will be closer to the jack. So the first potentiometer, all three potentiometers, they have the notch in the middle. So I am using them like a three ways. So when the first potentiometer of that for that humbucker pickup is in the middle position, it's a coil cut. Only one coil on that humbucker pickup is working. When I close that potentiometer, two coils of that humbucker pickups are set in the series. When I open it, two coils of that humbucker pickup are set in the parallel. And still you have the blend, so basically you can adjust it how much you want a parallel or coil cut, just one pickup, and then when you close it up, you can again adjust it how much the blend, how much of the only coil cut, one coil, will be blended with the two coils in the series. So this is the first knob. Second knob is three-way master tone control. I don't have it right here, but you can buy it already. It's on the market. You can research it on Google or eBay, on the Facebook, on the Facebook Marketplace. I call it GF three-way MTC, and MTC stands for the master tone control. When that part is in the notch in the middle, no changes are applied. So basically you have a clean signal coming through. When you close it, you have a less harmonic frequencies, and it shows you like you have a feelings like you have a more bass, or you have only the bass, because the middle frequencies and high frequencies are cut off. When you get in the middle, you have all frequencies, and when you open it, you have extra presence. We are cutting only the muddy loud frequency and giving you that clean present sound with the high frequencies. Again, it doesn't have only 3 positions. You can blend it from the completely open, when is that presence position, to the middle position, and there is a infinity of a variation of the tones. And again, from the middle position, you can get infinite variation of the tones when you close it up all the way to the close position where it is only bass. The last control, of course, we need to have a volume, right? So the last control from the close to middle position to the notch again is the volume control. You can hear the white noise, like when I turn it on from the computer, it started. So, and then when you are in the maximum of the volume, you have 3 options. The first option, little bit after the middle position, is overdrive. So basically it's passive dynamic overdrive. When you get in the middle, like 75% of that part, is a really nice clean sound. And when you open it completely, it has an EQ. It has a less middle frequencies, more presence, and more bass. So what I am going to do, I will show you how works all three knobs separately, and then I will try to make some mixes of those 3 pickups. For the disclosure, I'm going to play the song Blues Corey. It's a Polish band named Manam, and I really like them. Why I am playing those European songs, because the Facebook, or because I don't have a permission from the professional bands to use their songs on the computer and for the showcase. So disclosure is the Manam, name of the song Blues Corey, and I'll start with the dead part.
Nauczyłeś mnie czekać na twój uśmiech i spojrzenie. Nauczyłeś mnie pięknieć w twoich oczach. Nauczyłeś mnie śmiać, płakać bez powodu. Czemu więc uciekasz? Czemu więc uciekasz? Czemu więc uciekasz?
Less high frequencies, more bass.
Kochasz mnie jak nikt przed tobą, w listach, kwiatach i na ścieżkach.
Middle position,
Mówisz
sound.
pięknie o miłości, lecz uciekasz wciąż przede mną. Kochasz mnie jak nikt przed tobą,
Extra presence,
czemu więc uciekasz?
full high frequencies and less bass.
Kochasz mnie jak nikt przed tobą, czemu więc uciekasz ode mnie?
GM, delay, master tone control. Overdrive. Volume. From close position to middle position is a volume control. Clean sound. Overdrive. Clean sound. EQ. Clean sound. Overdrive. Overdrive. Pickups in the city. in the coils in the parallel.
Ze
Overdrive.
wspomnieniem przesycony. Coś się stało, nie rozumiem.
Present.
Noc mi śpiewa o miłości, która zwykle krótko
Clean
trwa.
sound
O
overdrive.
miłości wyzłoconej w noc samotną.
Low sound overdrive.
Bo mi tak mej i namiętnej w swych początkach zawsze pierwszy. Nauczyłeś mnie
You in the city.
na twój uśmiech i spojrzenie.
You
Nauczyłeś mnie
polka.
pięknieć w twoich oczach.
You parallel.
Nauczyłeś mnie śmiać się, płakać bez powodu.
Parallel.
Czemu
Present
więcej
on.
czekasz? Czemu więcej czekasz? Czemu więcej czekasz ode mnie?
Volume off. Overdrive. So guys, I hope you like it. I am not going to play it again. I will try to keep it short for one song. And next weekend, I'll see you again. I hope I will have that bass. But that played goals is in the paint shop right now. And I should have it in a couple of weeks. So when I'll put it together, I'll put it up here and I will make a demo video even of that bass, playing that bass. So have a nice weekend. I am located in the Maryland, close to the Baltimore. It's beautiful outside. I hope all of you had a nice weekend. See you next weekend. Bye.